Hello, Venom here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an anti-AFK machine. So what you do is just scan their skill and go around, and you won't be kicked for idling or whatever. It's great for auto rank servers or XP grinders and stuff like that. So to make it, you just need a 5x5 square, just like this. And then you need a half scab or a sandscreen scarce thing here, or block of your choice. Something that has half block. So you put this block here at the middle and just do it like this. Then put a sign here, put a workshop block there, and it's gone. So that's pretty neat for many servers. I've made this insane model over here. It makes, if you own your server and you want to make a AFK machine, it makes everybody go like, what the fuck on this one? If you hack it good enough, or at least some of my friends get it. So thanks for watching, and I'm out.